New into stock, Range Rover Sport 3-litre SD V6 HSE. It's 2016 on a 16 plate. It's the 7-seater, the 5+2, fold-up seats in the back there. Has a full service history. Cost new £68,454. It has got, well, first of all, it's one lady owner. It's got a service contract with it. I would think that finishes this year. It's had a service at, where's the mileage? 24,899. So not yet due a service. Beautiful car, finished in Firenze red with ebony leather. It's also got this ivory contrast leather here. Sets the interior off really nice ivory headlining, full panoramic roof. With the shade band here, which is handy on a day like today. It's a very, very nice day. We've got sat nav, climate control, heated front screen, power folding door mirrors, power tailgate, that's power open and power close. You can open it from the remote, shut it with a button. Nice big front center armrest here with plenty of storage in the center there, and then you've got the driver and passenger armrests which are adjustable. It's electric windows. It's a TFT display with digital speedo and rev counter at the side. Got cruise control here, paddle shift. Beautiful car all round. Your terrain response switches are here. They've gone from the rotary gear stick back to the old conventional style gear stick. We've got heated seats. I'll just take you for a ride in it now. Xenon headlamps, headlamp wash. It's been colour coded along the bottoms of the doors where they're usually black. It's also got rear privacy glass. I'm a big fan of Range Rovers, and I usually use a Range Rover Sport, but normally the old model up to 12-13 plates we've had so far. This being a 2016, it's the new shape, the new design, and I thought the old ones drove good. I couldn't believe how nice this drives. I don't know what they've done to it, but absolutely fantastic. They've really improved it, and it took a lot of improving really. You just couldn't do it. They're fantastic cars. We've got electric memory seats, got electrically operated steering wheel. This steering wheel is also heated. When you set your memory for your seats, it also remembers where your mirrors are and the steering wheel. The seats are really comfortable. Air suspension all round, really soaks the bumps up. It's lovely to drive. I'll just take you through a little bit of country lane and then up the motorway. Just try and miss that JCB. Great driving Range Rovers. You can see over everything. You feel really safe. These seats are very comfortable. Hold you in position. I haven't seen too many in this colour. Just move away a little bit. Now we have got an airbag warning light on, but when we were hoovering it before, there was a bottle under the seat, so I'm assuming it's just actually separated the wires to the seat for a fraction of a second when the seat's gone back, and that light should knock out, so that would be done before before the vehicle went out. Apart from that, I drove the car this morning when I picked it up, and there's nothing else to report. That's the only thing I can see. I will find out about the service contract, but I think the car was registered in April 2016, so the service contract should cover till April 2019, if that's transferable. I was looking through the brochure before, and there's numerous pages on the suspension and what it does and how it does it. I've been in the motor trade 45 years, and I'm not even going to try and explain, except it makes up for a lack of skill on the driver's part. One of the things I forgot to tell you actually was the fuel economy, and also the road tax. The Range Rovers that I've been using are £520 a year road tax. I think this one's 240, and also the fuel economy on them for the size of the vehicle, I think they're extremely good. As I've said in previous videos, it's always a compromise. Possibly safety for miles per gallon, so it depends what you find more important. That's miles per gallon and comfort. I can't believe how much they've come on since the first Range Rovers. I'll just have to stop and get that text, and take the opportunity to tell you the miles per gallon as well. Yes, so 6 months road tax £132, 12 months 240, and fuel economy. Urban 38.8, extra urban 44.1, and combined 40.4. 0 to 60 time of 6.8 seconds and a top speed of 130 miles per hour. So that's for the size of the car, the road tax, and the miles per gallon. Like Jeremy Clarkson says, why would you buy anything else? Whenever I set off quick in a Range Rover, it reminds me of going on holiday when you're on the runway and the pilot guns the engine, but he's got the brakes on. And then all of a sudden he lets the brakes go and you start trundling down the runway. It's the vehicle picks up so quickly, and it's enormous. It's got auto stop start as well, which I absolutely hate, but I've not discovered how to switch it off yet. You've got Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio streaming. That's 70 miles an hour just from starting the slip road. One touch cruise control, and it's just changed there. It's an 8-speed gearbox. It's just changed there. We're doing 70 at about 1500 revs. Very quiet, very smooth. I have got the air conditioning on, or the climate control, so you may be able to hear like a kind of a hum from the fan, but that's it with it off. But it really is warm today. Handles like a sports car.